Explore Tech Boom 360, your tech hub. Welcome to Tech Boom 360, your one-stop destination for everything tech. We bring you the latest software tutorials, app reviews, and tech tips. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, we have something for you. From app reviews to software tutorials, discover the best tech tools. Explore how-to guides that make your digital life smarter and easier. Learn at your own pace with tutorials that fit your schedule and lifestyle. Stay updated with the booming world of technology that's evolving every day. Join us as we review the latest gadgets to help you stay ahead. Get tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and tech skills. Engage with our community of tech lovers and share your insights. Subscribe now. Stay updated on all the latest in tech and tutorials. Don't miss out. The tech revolution is just a click away. Discover everything from gaming to productivity tools under one roof. Experience the thrill of technology with your friends and family. Join our social media platforms for daily tech updates and interactive content. Engage in live webinars to get real-time answers to your tech queries. Navigate our user-friendly website with ease to find what you need. As technology evolves, so does our commitment to keep you informed. Hit the subscribe button and be part of the tech revolution. Thank you for joining Tech Boom 360. Let's thrive in technology together.